you go. Start. Just wait, anak ko. Just wait. Just chick, then wait. Then. Yeah, really, anak ko. First of all, oh! Oh, good, grabe. Oh. You got one?
Yep.
You
It's
got
small
one?
though.
Oh, what's it? No, it's bluegill. So yun guys, nakahuli si Antoy ng bluegill. First fish. Alright.
It's pretty small though.
Huh?
It's pretty small.
This is a fish. Oh, you got something. You got one?
Yep.
You got another one?
Oh, it's bigger.
Oh, it's a crappie.
Crappie.
Yeah.
It's a big crappie.
So yan guys, pangalawang huli ni Andre, crappie. Nice size, yes. You got something?
Oh, stop.
Yes, another bluegill. Oh, that's a big one.
Check it out.
Yes, nice. Good job. Yun guys, may huli tayo dito. So yun siya guys, nice size na black crappie. Ang pag-retrieve ko pala guys, itong jerkbait ay yung tinatawag nilang jerk pause na retrieve. So ganito siya guys. Yan guys, pagkahagis mo, i-retrieve mo ng konti yung lure mo. Para sa ganon, yung lure mo magda-dive sa ilalim ng tubig. Pagkatapos nyan guys, start ka ng mag-retrieve. So ganito siya guys. So stop mo lang siya. Yan yung tinatawag nilang jerk. So jerk, tapos pause. And then jerk, pause. Or kung minsan ang ginagawa ko, jerk, pause, and then jerk, pause. Ganun lang siya guys. Kung minsan yung mga isda gusto nilang mabilis yung pag-snap mo ng lure or yung pag-retrieve mo. Kung minsan naman mabagal. So depende sa mood ng isda. Ganun lang guys, kasimple ang ginagawa kong pag-retrieve ng jerkbait. Alright. Ayan guys, another one. Nice size. Yes. Yes, another crappie, guys. Hey. That's a good spot for it. Right now. Keep throwing. We'll move if there's. You got something? Oh, it's a bluegill. Yes. See, I told you. So guys, nakahuli na naman si Andre ng bluegill. Good size. Yes. Guys, may huli tayo dito. Yeah. So yun guys, may huli tayong bass. Andre, I got one. Yes. So guys, tapos na kami ni Andre mag-fishing. Ayos naman ang huli. Alright guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating munti na namang palabas. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli!